If you're going to have confidence in facing the future, you got to know that you are valuable and worthy of that future. This is very important. You got to know your self-worth. Attitude comes from personal revelation. I cannot make you like yourself. What you need is a personal revelation about who you are. And automatically, your attitude changes toward you. Oh, I wish I had a couple more days to talk about this. I was born in the lowest part of this country called Baintown, in a street called South Street. Down there where the yard was dirt and the floor of the house was wood. Can any good thing come out of this place? I got a revelation about who I was. Let me tell you something. If you are a royal child and they put you in the lowest slum area of your country, you are still a royal child in the slum. Now you've turned the slum into a royal slum? Absolutely. In other words, where you are doesn't change who you are. Say it loud. Where I am doesn't change who I am. You must know your value. Because when you know your value, your confidence is, I don't need a Mercedes to be important anymore. When I drive Toyota, Toyota becomes a royal Toyota because I'm driving it. It doesn't make me valuable. I make it valuable. Tell the chair, you're lucky I'm sitting in you today. You got to know your value. I say you got to know your value. The job that you're on right now may not be the job you're dreaming of. That's not the job God showed you. But that's on the way there. So the value is not in the job. It's in you who hold the job. And you should say to your colleagues every day to work, you are so blessed that I'm working with you all for this short time. I give value to this company, value to this organization. I bring value to this department. And when you know your value, you don't need to be approved by other people to feel important. You hear me? You don't need no one to tell you you are valuable if you know you're valuable. Confidence comes from personal revelation of your value.